Hi everyone. The last video I gave you that the screen does not show you the dialog box when I type the command and the icon of the tool when I was selected like this. So I will be recording the new one to you. I start by make the rectangle size R140 by 218. I use the line command and make the vertical line like this, and I fill 140, hit enter, and I fill 218. 140 again, and I type C to close this part. Now I have the area to help me format the side view of the helmet, but I don't know the position for you to center for the circle. I go to the offset command by type OF and hit enter, and I fill 28, and I check at the baseline, and I like it to finish, and I like it to repeat again, and I fill 51 in the same baseline, and I repeat offset command again, and I fill 85, and I check at the vertical line from left to right, and I repeat again, and I fill 87.5, and I check like this. Now I already have the position for make two circles. The first one allow here, and the second one here. I go to the center radius, and I paste the circle at this position. It will show you the intersection snap, and I fill 85, hit enter, and I right click to repeat again, and I paste the circle at here, and I fill 87.5. Now I have two circles, but I told you before, the good shape for the helmet, it should be comprised from three different circles. I'm gonna make the third one by using the tangent radius. I paste the circle around here. It will appear the snap icon like this. If your program does not show like this, you're gonna check in at here and check the tangent. Okay, I click here 1 second, and I fill 130, hit enter. Now I completely make this circle. Let me check. I make it correct by checking the radius like this. Okay, and the last one. Okay. Next, I select the necessary lines to delete and make a new one for level of the height of the helmet. I use offset command, and I fill 120 and check at above to the bottom like this. Then I have trim out the excess lines by using trim command. I type TR, hit enter, and click here. I right click to finish, and I select the unnecessary line to delete. Now I completely make the side view of the helmet. Next step, I go to making the L lift. But before I use that tool, I have to set the area for help me to make the precise position of the helmet. I go to the line command at the end point. I lie down and fill 200 or more, hit enter, right click to finish, right click to repeat again. At the end point, I say fill same 200, hit enter, right click to finish, and I make a new one at the midpoint by using the line command. Then I go to the offset command. I type OF and fill 85, hit enter, and I check as this line to above and to the bottom like this. Okay. Okay. Then I go to the ellipse center. I pass at the midpoint, go to the midpoint, and then end point. And I select the unnecessary to delete. For 3D modeling to make the helmet, I have to use the loft command. But the loft command is will working from two objects. It connects the two objects together. But this ellipse just one. I have to split out into. I use trim command. Right click to finish, and I make a new one by using the Miller command. I type MI, hit enter, and left click to check, and right click enter, and left click again at the end point here. Left click to finish, and right click. Now, then I will divide this part to about 5 to 6 parts. I use the line command, and at the midpoint I make a vertical line, and I go to the offset command, and I fill 35. But you will see the last one is just a small area. It does not work for making a beauty helmet. I decide to delete it, and I repeat offset again, and I fill 32. Okay. I trim out the exit line by using trim command again. And then I go to the line command to make the position for the height of the curve. I will making neck. I use line command and paste at here. It will show you the endpoint. Sometimes it's gonna show you like a intersection snap. It's okay. I right click to finish. For use the loft command, it is for selecting all in next step. It between two objects, it have more space. I select all, and I type M for move command, and I move down around here, and I go to another view, and I select all and go to 3D rotate tool for flip it up. Once you click to select this tool, it will show you the icon of the direction. It have 3 direction. I will check at left and 90 degree, and I select all object again, and I type M for move, and at the end point paste this end point. So next I have to make a pretty curve by using the start end direction, and I paste here at the end point for start end direction. But the result of this tool is gonna show you like this. You have to go to a rotate again by 3D rotate. I click here and right click, it show you like this. But now I check at green, okay, at 90 degree, and I go type M for move. I check here at the end point to this end point. Then I select this curve and adjust the height to the position I made before. Then I have copied this curve and paste here at each endpoint. I type CO, hit enter, it go to the copy command. I check endpoint to endpoint like this. I right click to finish, and then I adjust like this, endpoint to endpoint, and the high to the high position. I make repeat at each curve. Sorry. Oh. Sorry. I mischeck. Okay. Now the next step, I am going to the loft command. Ooh. First I click here first, and then here it's gonna show you like this. You have to right click and paste, check at the guided tab, and check all curve. Okay, I start here, but depend on you where is your start for check the curve. I like it to finish. Now I'm gonna check by going to the conceptual view. The 3D is just surface, not solid. When you go to the top view of the helmet, it shows you like this. You can to see in different view if you want by hold the scroll bar and hold the shift key and drag mouse, go to the direction that you want. You will see this helmet or have not thickness because it's just surface, not solid. We will make it to solid object by go to the solid tab and check at thicken, and then you click at the object and right click and fill tool. It means 2 mm of the thickness of the helmet. I hit enter. Now it go to the solid surface and have the thickness. When it show you like this, that means you make it done. Thank you for watching.